the Foreigners Tonic, and it's presenting my culture. And for me, I'm the foreigner here, and I really want to present the 5-flower tea to everybody that you guys can have a try. Hi everybody, I'm Christine from Employees Only Sydney. Today I'm going to introduce you my world-class Pub 20 cocktail. It's called Foreigners Tonic with Tanqueray 10. So start with 90 ml of the homemade 5-flower tea. It's a Chinese herbal tea with the chrysanthemum character into it, and it's matching the Tanqueray 10 with chrysanthemum, chamomile, those kind of floral notes in it. And also the tea provides some bittersweet kind of taste in it, and it's like a tonic. And then 45 ml of Tanqueray 10. And 5 drops of the bitter gourd and grapefruit bitters that I made. The bitter gourd, it's a bitter melon. You might see the fresh one in the market. It has a very versatile and yet it's a very bitter note. And the bitters that I made with the dehydrated one, so it's a dry bitter gourd. It's my bitter agent in my bitters, and also like providing the vegetal notes that goes well with my 5-flower tea, and also adding a little bit citrus peel from grapefruit. It will further bring up the flavors from Tanqueray 10 as well. A big chunk of ice into the bowl. So the idea of serving the cocktail in the bowl, because the herbal tea culture in Hong Kong, it's always they serve it in the bowl, and then the customers, they just quickly walk by and have a drink, and then they continue their busy life. So the 5-flower tea, we believe that it's gonna expel the heat that trapped in your body and help you to detox. And it's one of our main tonic for our busy life in Hong Kong. So the earthy note with the citrusy gin, it actually brings out another side of the gin as well. So chamomile, it's also like a floral, a little bit earthy, a little bit bitterness into it as well. And then garnish with an edible flower on the top. There you have it. That's my mixer. It's called the Foreigners Tonic.